start again. It's a rage thing.
Welcome back to another video. So, Tobe Glam has sent me over their DIY nails at home. This is a nail tips and gel set. I love these little sets. They're just great for just quick, easy nails, aren't they? So, it comes with 500 tips. I'll show you them in a minute. And it comes with a tube. I like this. Normally, it's in a bottle. So, this is an 8mm tube and it's just nail glue. And it's got a nice pinpoint nozzle. I really, really like that. I've not tried one of them yet. And it comes with your mini lamp. There's your USB type 2 wire. And yeah, it's just your standard mini lamp with 3 little LEDs and your on off button. We're going to use that today as well. So these are the tips. They are just long coffin. My favourite shape. So that's the length there. They are long, but they're not ultra long. The zero's not too bad either. It does fit. If you're using it as a press on, it does fit. So a quick bit of nail prep. I'm just going to push all my cuticles back, get rid of all the dead skin, and snip some of my cuticle off. All that boring stuff, but very essential. I've got a discount code for Tobe Glam as well, guys. That will all be in my description box. These are available on the website and Amazon. So now I've sorted my cuticles out, I'm just going to scratch up. I've already got a thin layer of product on my nails, so I'm scratching them up quite rough. But if it was your natural nails, I'd just use a buffer. So now I'm using, you have to buff the inside of these tips, or you can do what I'm doing and just use a primer, and it just gets rid of that shiny surface inside the tips. So now, dehydrator and primer, these will help keep your nails on longer. So this kit doesn't come with a base coat, but I am giving my nails a base coat. I just like to put a base coat on, but I don't think you really need to with these little gel kits. So I've cured that base coat for 30 seconds. Watch how easy this is, guys. Little blob inside the tip, and I've just left this in real time to show you. And I'm just going to press it on. Just spread that glue out, cover your natural, completely cover your nail with that glue, and then stick it in the lamp. And that is it. That is it. How long did that take? I think the nail prep took longer than doing this set of nails. Actually, it did. So I'll just show you quickly doing one more, and then I'll do the rest off camera. So that is them all on. So I'm just going to do my usual filing just around the cuticle area, just to file and blend in. You can see the edge of the tip, can't you, around the sides and the cuticle. I like to just blend that in. And because I'm using my left hand, I just keep going out of frame. I'm so sorry. But I'm just going to show you a tiny bit of filing because I'm out of frame anyway. And then I'm going to buff off all that shiny surface because we're going to paint these. So I'm using Good Vibes gel polish from Tobe Glam. This is a beautiful nudie kind of pink, isn't it? It's actually a milky pink, so it is a little bit sheer. So I'm going to do 2 coats of that on all the nails. I will just show you doing one, I think, because I'm using my left hand and it's just slow and caggy. So they've all had 2 coats of that gel polish. Now I'm just putting a matte top coat on the pinky and the pointer. I'm going to cure them in the lamp for 30 seconds because I want to put some shiny pink drippy drips. So this is Sweetheart Liner Gel, again from Tobe Glam. It's just a brighter pink, isn't it? And I'm just going to stick 3 blobs using the tip of the brush on my nail, and then just use the liner brush and just pull them blobs straight up the nail in a straight line. Really easy way to do drippy drips. And then I'm just going to join them all together at the top of the nail. I am using my left hand, guys, so please bear that in mind. So that's all those drips finished. I've pulled out some stickers and I'm just going to stick some stickers now on these middle 2 nails, and then I'm going to stick some foils on the thumb. So I'll just let you watch these stickers for a second. So now I'm just using another liner gel, the white one, and this is just tiny little dots just to add a little bit of something to those nails. I don't know, I just like dots. I just think they add a bit of, I don't know what they add, but I like them. So this foil is from Charlie's Nail Art. She's got amazing Halloween foils at the minute. You can get 10% off using my code Aggie10. That link is always below as well. So on the thumb, I'm using Tobe Glam Transfer Foil Gel. Fantastic foil glue. If you struggle with foil glues, try this one, guys. It is brilliant. So I've cured that in a lamp for 30 seconds. And just watch how these transfer. They transfer like stickers. It just leaves nothing behind. Absolutely fantastic foil glue. I love it. Look at that. Perfect. I like it a lot. So you can just wipe the tacky layer off these drips, but I wanted them to be glossy, so I'm just using a detailer brush and top coating them. And then I'm going to top coat the middle nails and thumb, and that'll be the set done. I think these turned out really cute. Super easy, beginner friendly nail kit. I really like it. Quick, easy nails using stickers, foils. I really like this tube of glue. It's quite a stiff glue actually. I like that. I like the little thin nozzle that it's got on it. Yeah, I'm quite impressed with this little kit. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. I'll leave all links, discount codes, yada yada. That'll all be below. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.